Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do underwater effect on CapCut PC. Alright guys, as you can see that here I have created a project on my CapCut PC, and if you want to do underwater effect, we're going to use the underwater voice effect. So I'm going to tap on the audio right here and tap on the sound effect, and we can search for the underwater sound effect. Okay, and then there will be a lot of options for you, and you can choose the underwater effect for your video. And I'm just going to choose this one, so we can just tap on this plus button to add the sound effect to our video. Okay, and now the sound effect has been added, and I'm going to put like video effect for my video, so we can tap on the effect option. Then I'm going to select the video effect right here, and on this video effect category we just need to click on the wait guys, light effect right here, and I'm going to add the water effect, water reflection effect, this one. Just tap on the effect. Okay, and I'm just going to adjust the length. Alright, and now the video effect and the sound effect have been added to this video, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result. Okay, and this is the final result. And alright guys, that's how we can do underwater effect on CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.